The first step is to simply open your settings on your iPhone or iPad and then simply tap on your iCloud name at the top. Now once you get here, you just have to scroll down and tap on iCloud, and as you can see we have this option which is saved to iCloud. Simply tap on see all, and then from here we just have to enable all these options. So we have iCloud Photos, iCloud Drive, and then we have other apps that we can basically save the data for. So you just have to enable everything that you see here. Now I recommend you to upgrade to iCloud Plus if you have a lot of photos or videos, because 5 gigabytes won't be enough. So basically, once you enable everything from here, you will basically see all the photos on your iCloud. So as you can see, for photos, we just have to simply select sync this iPhone, and then from here tap on sync now, and also make sure to choose download and keep originals. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.